welcome to my channel. This is my daughter Diamond, and she's working on getting her first apartment. We've been going thrift shopping to turn trash into treasure. How much did we pay? $1. Let's get started. We grabbed the white chalk paint from Walmart, and we gave this frame a good 3 coats. This is Dollar Tree foam board, guys. We just cut it into strips. My black chalk paint was so thick, I'm just adding some water to it to thin it down a little. Then we painted the edges and the tops of the foam board. But guys, look what happened when they dried. They curled up and turned into little boats. We didn't let that stop us. We were going to try to use them anyways. But they wouldn't fit under the staples, so we had to pull out all of the staples. And then they were slightly too short, so we ended up just having to use a lot of glue to almost build length and just keep gluing. We had no idea if this was going to turn out. I'm not going to lie, it's ugly from the back. And we glued. And we glued, and we glued. When we flipped it over, I saw potential. I'm getting really excited to see how this turns out.
Because it's meant a lot to me ever since high school. It was a verse that I found, and it's just helped me through a lot. Coming to Michigan, and that was not the plan I had in mind, but it was the plan that God had in mind for me.
We only did 1 coat of paint because we wanted to get a chalkboard finish. Almost done. We're just going to fill in some of the big bridges or gaps in the letters, and that's it. If If you want to paint this stencil, look in the description below.